Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can add Facebook dating to Facebook. So by the end of this video you're going to understand how to add Facebook dating into your Facebook. Start the Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap menu, locate at the bottom right of the screen on iOS and top right on Android. And in your shortcut section look for dating. If you don't see it, scroll down to see more. You're going to tap the dating or tap the see more and tap get started. After following the instructions above, you'll be given options to set up your dating profile. Facebook imports a lot of details from your Facebook profile, but you can specify which items become a part of a new profile. To change an item, tap the pen tool, and to remove it from your profile entirely, tap the X. Your dating profile is visible to anyone you're dating, and this information is based on your Facebook profile. Any changes you make here won't affect what appears there. Continue to progress through the profile setup. You can specify details like your height, whether you have kids, and if you want to use location services so Facebook dating can match you with your other people. When you're done, tap confirm to publish your profile. If you have any experience with other dating apps, you should be right at home with Facebook dating. After you complete your profile, you can always get back it from your shortcuts in the 3-line menu at the same time where you set up your profile. Here's how to use a dating app. You've got like to your friendship matches and profile, which gives you the profiles, matches of other people that are on Facebook dating as well. And you can check their profile. The liked you means anyone who's liked you. The matches is both parties like each other. And the friendship is you don't really like each other, but you just like a bit of a friend zone. You can customize when you consider to be your ideal match. You can specify living distance, age, gender, height, language, and more. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.